Hi, I'm Peter, and I wanted to share my recipe with you. It's my mom's recipe from Greece, Avgolemono, which is egg lemon soup with chicken. And I found a really good, easy way of not boiling a chicken and doing all that stuff to a chicken with this. It's a cheat. Don't tell anybody. So what you need is like 64 ounces, which is 2 of those box chicken broths, and some lemon. I like to use freshly squeezed with my grandmother's squeezer. Just everything tastes better with fresh stuff. A cup of rice and 5 or 6 eggs and chicken creation pouches. I use zesty lemon pepper. And that's it. So squeeze about 1.5 cups of lemon juice. You're going to use a cup in the soup and then keep some for extra. I like mine a little bit more lemony. And if you have marble countertops, don't do this on your countertops. It'll kill your counter. So put the broth in and boil that. So as it boils, just take the rice and throw it in. I'm using minute rice, white. I don't suggest brown, doesn't taste the same. Minute rice just takes less time. You can use regular rice, but you're just going to have to let it boil longer. So I've put 6 eggs in here, 2 egg whites, and 4 full eggs. You can use the combination however you want it. I like a little yolk in mine. And then you add lemon juice, a cup of lemon juice. And then you start blending. So let that blend for a couple minutes, and we're going to add now a cup of broth, the boiling broth, slowly to the blender so that it doesn't curdle, because we're dealing with raw eggs here. So we're going to pull broth out of the boiling water right after the rice is done, and we're going to add that really slowly to the soup. Real slow so it won't curdle. And we're just getting the eggs partially cooked, so when it gets in the hot soup, it doesn't curdle too. So do that all the way. And then you just blend it on high for a little bit longer. You turn the soup down and off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to slowly pour this yumminess from the blender, real slow, so it doesn't curdle. You just have to keep stirring. My mother would scream at me to keep stirring. Keep stirring! So we're stirring. And just wait for all that to go in. It's really, really thick soup after we let it sit for like 20 minutes. But now comes the key, the Chicken Creations lemon pepper. And it's already ready to go in. So I just scoop it in here, into the soup, and mix it around. So let it sit on the stove for like 15 minutes, just cooling off, and it'll thicken. And you can use 1 or 2 pouches. I like 2 because I like more chicken, but some like less chicken. So after it sits for about 10-20 minutes, just add it to the bowl and add pepper generously. Cracked pepper is good too, but you know, I only have 2 hands here, so I have to hold the camera. All right. So that's it, and it's yum yum, so enjoy it. So that's Joni's Avgolemono soup. I hope you like it. It's been a family favorite for a long time, and enjoy it. Put as much lemon in as you think. You might want to start at 3/4 cup in the blender, but I hope you enjoy that. The stuff is awesome. You saved me a lot of time.